This demo shows how Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials Management and B2B banking partners deliver an agentic experience that improves cash predictability, shifts spend to optimal payment programs, and redefines how accounts payable drives value for the business. The demo begins with a payment analyst who gets notification about his organization's cash buffer and limiting supplier payments until the end of the quarter. Routing more payments through the bank payment programs offers a valuable path to preserving cash. The payments agent analyzes millions of invoices in Fusion that are coming due this quarter. It identifies payments slated to be paid by check, ACH, and EFT, which represent opportunities to preserve cash by extending payment terms and leveraging credit and financing. Diving deeper into supplier analysis, the agent identifies 155 vendors that are suitable candidates for payment optimization. Based on attributes like payment due date, annual spend thresholds, and payment terms, the payment agent proposes bank program options to reach cash outflow targets. For the virtual card analysis, the agent identifies suppliers with spend less than $10 million that are likely to want early payment via virtual card. The buying organizations may obtain rebates, similar to a personal credit card reward program. It will be 45 to 60 days before the bank is paid, so this helps achieve working capital objectives. Now that the payment agent has identified suppliers likely to participate in virtual programs, the next step is to provide the bank with contract and other details needed to begin a recruitment campaign. The AP manager sees and approves the payment agent's request to send information to his organization's virtual cards issuing bank. The payment agent uses agent-to-agent communication to make the request to Oracle's B2B banking partner. It operates natively in Oracle Fusion applications and adheres to all of the securities policies and controls of the current user. The payment agent securely passes the latest supplier spend data from Fusion applications to the banking partner, eliminating days or weeks of back and forth manual data integration. This lets the bank move straight to the supplier eligibility validation, recruitment, onboarding, and sending enrollment status back to the Fusion applications for payment processing. For the rest of the demo, we'll examine the agent-to-agent communication from the bank's perspective. It begins as the bank supplier services group receives an alert from the Oracle Payment Agent. The Oracle Payment Agent securely delivers the supplier information and recruiting request to the bank agent. The bank agent can now immediately assess the recruiting status of these suppliers, and we can see that 23 of them are already enrolled. The bank starts enrollment for the additional 68 suppliers that have services with the bank but aren't already enrolled in virtual card programs. The bank agent sends details on suppliers' enrollment to Oracle's payment agent and will continue to send updates to the payment agent as more suppliers sign on. The payment analyst doesn't need to call the bank or send emails to get recruiting status updates. Payment execution by the Oracle Payment Agent occurs as the supplier updates are sent back via the agent-to-agent communication. The bank supplier representative is shown here checking on the status of payments. The virtual card payment here shows the end-to-end execution of the payment to the newly enrolled supplier. Oracle Payment Agent, B2B bank integration, and upcoming agent-to-agent communication capabilities between Oracle Fusion ERP and banking partners are helping buyers and suppliers with more options for faster funds availability, improved cost savings, and working capital optimization.